How to quickly access your favorite app using the S Pen button on Samsung S24 Ultra. First of all, remove your S Pen. By default, when you long press the S Pen button, it will open the camera on your device. So if you want to use any application using the S Pen button, you need to follow these settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to advanced feature. Tap the advanced features. Tap the S Pen. Now here you can find the air action option. Tap on it. Here you can see press and hold the pen button. Tap on it. By default set the camera. So select the application you want to access. Here we select the Google Chrome. Now double press and hold the S Pen button. It will open the Google Chrome application on your device from your screen. So it's quite helpful feature to quickly access your favorite apps. Let's see another example. Again go to setting, press and hold power pen button and select the application you want to access. Here we select the Samsung member app. Now go to home screen, long press the S Pen button and you can quickly access your favorite application or selected application on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.